Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to put in your SIM card inside your phone. Doesn't really matter which iPhone you've got, they actually all work the same. Even with an older iPhone 12, it's going to be the same thing as an iPhone 13, as you guys will see here. On the side, you're going to have the SIM card tray. So it's the same thing with every single iPhone, no matter which one you've got. Alright guys, so we're going to go on and place the SIM card. The SIM card will go right here. So you guys will see your volume keys. Underneath it, you will see this little hole. That's where you have to put in a tool that came with your phone. Now, if you don't have it, you can use an earring. However, I'm going to show you the tool that we've got. So inside your box, you would got something like this. Here's the little tool, and that's what we're going to use. So again, you could use an earring if you lost this for any reason. And right here, we just have to go on and place this pin, as you guys can see. Just press on it until it pops out. So here's your SIM card tray. That's what it looks like. So if we just bring it out, there's nothing in there because we haven't put a SIM card in there yet. Now the SIM card that you need, I'm going to show you right now. Now this is something that doesn't come with your phone. A SIM card is something that usually you have to purchase on the side if you purchase a plan on the side once again. So this is the SIM card, and you might have got it in something like this. What you need to do is pop out the smallest one. To pop it out, just go like so, and it's going to come out. So this is the smallest one, and that's what you need for your new phone. So once again, this is how it looks like. And what we're gonna do is just place it inside our tray. Now what you gotta do is just match it up. So just match up your tray with your SIM card. And it's supposed to go in like so. So it's supposed to go very snug. You guys will see that it fits perfectly. And now, all we have to do is just insert this in our phone. So here's our phone, here's our SIM card. We're just gonna go on and insert it in there. Now here's our phone, here's our SIM card. And before I place this in, I do want to note that since I'm holding it this way, I do have to put it like so. So I have to turn it around. And then it's going to fit in. And that's just because the way I'm holding this right now. So at this point, if you're going to start up your phone and just set it up, you can. Or maybe you set it up already. You can always just exchange the SIM cards like that. I would recommend to turn off your phone, but I personally never have. It's always been turned on when I take out and put in SIM cards. Nothing has ever happened just yet. And I've had iPhones for years and years and years. But anyways, that's how you guys can take out and put in your SIM card on your phone. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.